Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Word on the street from my intel sources, if you notice I stress sources, is saying that this girl might be linking, she's Plumpy manager Tamar Watson, and she might be linking with Yo Killer, the notorious rich badness leader of the West Bank record label out there in Tortola, associated with the Six.
Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we are representing the fullest, Jamaica first, country first, the #1 YouTube channel. Yeah man, and you don't know, country man are the big man on the panel. Representing from Jamaica to Trinidad, the Caribbean and the whole world. Countryman don't want no more bloodshed. No, we not sended. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed. No, we not sended. A message we are send. Hey, countryman, tell them this. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight, hey. Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we represent for Countryman Jamaica first, #1 YouTube channel. Make sure and keep it locked.
Look at the screen right there in front of you. That's Plumpy Boss. And me I talk about Plumpy Boss and go to some update on what's going on. But the main thing what me I gonna talk about in this video is where the fuck is Plumpy Boss manager? Where the fuck is Tamar Watson? The dyke bitch who used to play soccer and then she start manage him. Where is that bitch? Let's go. I'm just getting straight to the point. Now, Plumpy Boss was shot July 27th last year, 2024. He went to perform in St. Martin's, and about 4 a.m. when he was sitting in the vehicle, I guess the bus trying to get him to his hotel, or when he was about to enter the bus, he was shot and wounded really bad, and everything just died down. We know that the 6 and the 7 is at odds. We know that the 6, St. Martin, is part of their stronghold because Yo Killer from Tortilla, he is very rich and he is pushing this 6 gang with all his money. I did a few videos, couple videos on the Trinidad scene, and this is a video. Look at the picture in front of you. This is one of my videos that I did, and I said don't badness, and I was warning Plumpy Boss not to go to certain islands because in St. Kitts, in the video you see the picture right there on this channel, he went to St. Kitts and they tried to kill him. He went to St. Kitts, him and Med's boss and Joshua was there, and they tried the same thing. He had to run and jump through bushes, this, that, jump over fence, and got away with his life. And I did warn him, as he moved forward, be careful of St. Martin's and certain places. But for some reason, Tamar, that's her name, Tamar Watson, she got Plumpy Boss to go to St. Martin's to perform a show. He was shot and injured very bad, critical. And Tamar Watson, his gay manager, has not came on social media has not come out to the public and explained to us what happened. My intel told me that she was over there in St. Martin's day before and she was with Plumpy when he got shot, and nothing happened to she, but Plumpy was targeted. She is the one who connected the show situation with Plumpy going to St. Martin's. Where is Tamar Watson? She has not sent a condolence. She has not said anything. I have searched social media, try to see if she put out anything about the incident with Plumpy, and this dyke bitch has not put out anything. That tells me she might be guilty of setting up Plumpy Boss with the right amount of money coming from the sixth head, which is Yo Killer. Now let me give you some history on the lesbian girl, Tamar Watson. She had a bad car accident when she was driving with her girlfriend, the Trinidad boxer. Let me show you some picture. And the car crashed and our girlfriend, the boxer, died. You hear what I'm saying? The boxer died. Now, why did the car crash? Because Tamara was beefing with her girlfriend and pretty much in a them lesbian and gay relationship, it's worse than heterosexual relationship. She is probably so jealous and so whatever, drive the car in her wall to bumbuckler and kill our girlfriend. This girl we are rub crutches with woman from her idea and knee to blood clot. Drive the car, you know. Crash the car. Me don't know if she drive over a cliff. All the information is there. Cause I get all this information about her. It's in the public space. You see what I'm saying? In 2009. The picture is right there. That she on the right, Iron Pum Pum too, I guess. And that's her girlfriend, the boxer. And it's really a tragedy that young lady lost her life in 2009. And she went straight to the top. This girl would have went on to make millions. But what is really sad, it shows the character of Tamar Watson. Very controlling, money hungry. You see what I'm saying? And we are still, a lot of people is saying that she is the one who set up Plumpy Boss. You know why? Let me show you guys this. Look at this. Look at that picture, like me say. Now, Trinidad artist Kalanji shot near Bricks Hotel, girlfriend dead. Now, do you guys realize this girl here, Tamar lesbian Watson, she is the manager, you know, for Kalanji, you know. She is the manager for Kalanji. So you have to ask yourself, she is really bad lucky, or she is working with the ops, and their ops would be the six them, especially Yo Killer, cause obviously Tamar is money hungry and Yo Killer have a lot of money, cause we hear him drop millions of dollars upon the man them head. He get rid of Django. Now, like I said, she has to be really, really bad lucky to have her girlfriend car crash, which she was driving and get upset, maybe the girl don't want her. Okay? Now Kalanji, for some reason, the ops them knew where he was. You see what I'm saying? And she was his manager. And in all of these tragedy, that anybody go around her wanna see what happened, she don't come out and address anything to the media. It looks like you're guilty. Now, we are gonna move on. Remember now, we are talking about Plumpy Boss. Plumpy Boss get shot in the head and all over his body. He is very, very sick. You see what I'm saying? This girl didn't help the man. I didn't see anything on social media. Cause I asked my intel. I said, did she put out anything? Did she keep some kind of, entertainment to support Plumpy, make some money, whatever? I don't know. Event no. So I am starting to think like, yeah, this bitch also, she is guilty of sin. No more showing something else. She was also this youth also manager, Prince Swanee. And Prince Swanee have to cut the fire blood clot. You understand? You have to cut. And Kalanji, it seems like Kalanji cut too. But with Kalanji, him girlfriend dead and certain things reach him. And then it seems like him cut. So yo, Kalanji, what I am saying, you need to go back into your memory and you need to trace what you were doing back in at that time. You know it's a hard memory to go back in, but you have to think, who was the last person you talked to? Who knew you were there? And if that girl, your manager, the iron lesbian, didn't know say you did it, she can be the one who is getting paid by the ops, cause we know the ops them have money. You understand? So I am telling you, think out of the box, cause she was your manager when you get shot and your girlfriend dead. That's all I'm saying. For some reason, this bitch was able to get into Plumpy Boss' mind. And I know Prezi is behind him. So Prezi may or may not seal the event that Plumpy was going. But if I know Prezi would probably tell him, don't go. You understand? Now, this girl Tamara probably forced Plumpy to go. And then Plumpy went, and look what happened to him. Plumpy is recuperating. You know what I'm saying? I spoke to somebody, a family member of Plumpy, and Plumpy is doing alright, but he could be doing a lot better. And this so-called manager, you understand, this lesbian chick, I don't know if this is how she expect to be a manager of artists. If everybody that you come in contact with meet tragedy ending and you do not support none of them, you don't put nothing out, you don't go look for them, given the fact that you haven't said anything in the media about Plumpy's situation, I can more than net put my neck on a block and chop it off that you didn't go and see that man, you didn't visit him in hospital. We don't know what wrong with that bomber cloud, girl. You think of some management go? You say for me, you did a manage, and me go St. Martin's and that happened to me, you would have to run away from Trinidad. At that me, I tell you, y'all, at that countryman, I tell you, step up and help the youth, Plumpy Boss. You understand? Plumpy Boss is a good youth. You understand? That youth they love him have good vibes. Him love joke. He might run him mouth, but Plumpy don't mean nothing. Yo, him have manners to his mother. You see when his mother cuss him, Plumpy Boss do not open his mouth. Him rather Don't listen to her, walk away. And you think that's how you're gonna sit down while Plumpy Boss is like that and you don't try anything to help the man. That is a bunch of fuckery. So me, countryman from Jamaica first, country first, is letting the world know about Tamar Watson. She is Plumpy Boss manager. Him get shot in a St. Martin's in July and she has done nothing to help him. She is chilling, living a good life with her gear, whatever the hell she's doing, and totally ignore this man. Don't put out nothing, don't do nothing. You understand? And it seems like she is linking with the nefarious six or associate because she was the one who planned the event, or she was the one who forced Plumpy figure the event. You understand? So I am putting it out there. Any artists out there, people out there, don't deal with that gal. Look at her girlfriend, the boxer. She speed up the car, them crash, and the girl dead. You understand? And now she a live her life. She link Kalanji, a deal with Kalanji, and then shoot up Kalanji, and him woman kill Kalanji woman. We don't know if she involved. We just know say I just some weird stuff happening around this girl. Prince Wally did have to run away from her bumbo clot. Cause Prince Wally is smart, you know, even though I'm a 27-year-old. You understand? He been through a lot. So, that me I tell the people them, and me I put it out there. Tamar Watson is a no-no. Listen, me I keep my ears locked on this, you know. Cause that girl, me I go pressure your career. Me I show you who countryman is. You hear Tamara? That me I tell you. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.